What a time it was, sir. Nobody was wanting to dig the graves. Nobody was wanting to touch the one who has died because of coronavirus. Sir, it was me, my party, my trust, sir, where we used to dig the grave. हम जमीन खोदते थे, खबर खोदते थे, मैयत को हम नहलाते थे, कफन पहनाते थे और वहां पे तदफीन करते थे। तो कोविड के दौर में 200 से ज्यादा लोगों की तदफीन शहर के हमने वहां की, जिसके लिए मैं बीआरएस का केटी रामाराव साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। Sir, and this doesn't end here. If I am wrong, it should be corrected by the Revenue Secretary, and he should say that, no, Mr. Owaisi, you're saying wrong. Not only this, sir. Sir, I would like to also bring to the kind notice of the government, sir, on the representation of MIM. Sir, we said कि हैदराबाद में सुन्नी है, शिया है, मैदवी है, बोहरे है और सारे सेक्ट के लोग हैं, sir. So at that time, sir, on our representation, Honorable, the then Chief Minister, sir, he had given 125 acres, sir. 125 acres, sir. Abdullahpur made, survey number 233, 20 acres. Talakondapalli, 42 acres. Kundur, 10 acres, sir. 72.22. Medchal, sir, 35 acres, sir. Shamirpet, 16 acres. And then again total this was 52 acres, sir. Or फिर sir, I have also the details, sir. If one is going to dispute with me, sir, just for the graveyards and Shadi Khana, sir, on MIM's representation, sir, Adilabad mein we had given, sir. In the village Yalandu, sir. And Bhadadri, sir, Kuttagudam, land was given. Hanuman Kunda, Hyderabad, Jaktiyal, Jangao, Jaishankar Bopalli, Jogulamba, Gadwal, Kamareddy, Karim Nagar. Sir, I have all the details, sir. If I am wrong, I have this, sir. तो ये पूरे जमीनात खबरस्तानों के लिए दिए गए. Honorable Speaker, sir, in spite of this land being given 125 acres and this land was handed over to Waqf Board, मैं आपके जरिए रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर से और कांग्रेस की हुकूमत से दरखास्त करता हूं कि सर जियो हो गया, लैंड भी दे दिए, वक्फ बोर्ड के पास है, इसमें डिसीजन भी ले लिया गया कि कितना सुन्नी को देंगे, कितना शिया को देंगे, कितना मेहदवी को देंगे, कितना इस्माइली बोहरास को देंगे, सब हो गया है. काइंडली आप वो जमीन कमेटीज बनाकर दे दीजिए जिसके साथ वहां पे तदफीन का आगाज हो जाएगा. और कमेटी अगर बनाएंगे तो दैट कमेटी कैन प्रोटेक्ट द लैंड विच हैज बीन अलॉटेड. एंड आई वुड आल्सो एट द सेम टाइम रिक्वेस्ट, इन लास्ट 10 years more than 400 acres were given for Shadi Khanas and Muslim graveyards. Please find out how those lands are. I would request my friends from Congress also. I have the copy of the GO. I can just give it to the Honorable Speaker. He can give it to all of you all. Okay, where all the land has been allotted. We can protect that land. We can make some Shadi Khanas. We can give for the burial. Sir, we have been successful, sir. So while the member of largest minority community in the state have been deprived and disposed of their land holdings through the abolition of Jagir, Zamindar, Inam, Enact an Urban Land Ceiling Act, sir. Sir, I have the list, sir. Sir, I have the list of all the details, sir, of the Waqf land, sir. Sir, Baba Sharafuddin Sahab Pahadi, sir, 2001-31, sir. Shah Raja Hussain Khattali, Rahmatullah alayh, 580 acres. Muslim maternity, Jamaat-e-Islami, 450 acres, sir. Ashur Khan Ali Saad Maheshwaram, 490 acres. Jami Nizamiya Sri Lingampalli, sir, 500 acres. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Manikunda Jagir, 1,900. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Guntapalli village, 1,400 acres, sir. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Raidurg, sir, again 38 acres, sir. Sir, Narsapur Mandal Medak, 100 acres, sir. Medak का जितना टाउन है वो सारा का सारा इज वक्फ, सर. फुल मेदक टाउन, सर. बट वेयर, सर, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि जो बना हुआ है उसको तोड़ दो. नो सर, एटलीस्ट उनको किराएदार बना दो वक्फ बोर्ड के. मैं यही कह रहा हूं, वक्फ बोर्ड को कुछ पैसा आएगा, लेकिन वो भी नहीं होता. सर आलूर विलेज सर, आलूर विलेज सर, आपको मालूम होगा सर, आलूर विलेज 1200 acres sir, 1200 sir. Sir, I remember sir, Rashekar Reddy Sahab had called me and he said, Akbar, let us do something about this Alur sir. The then minister Mr. Shabir Ali Sahab was also there. So we were discussing whether we get we have a university there or we can have some development work there sir. What is happening sir? That 1200 acres in Alur is also getting encroached sir. And one fine day we are going to lose that land also sir. Qutub Shahi Mosque graveyard sir, situated at this women's college Narayangoda sir, 3,735 square yards sir. Masjid Khushi Jahi, Bazarghat, Gun Foundry, Chanchalgoda jail 30 acres sir. Jail में भी 30 acre है sir हमारी. Sir, I am just saying, and the list goes on sir. The list goes on. So the reason, sir, I am bringing to your kind notice with this is that, sir, my only submission is that, sir, please protect the Waqf land, sir. Sir, we have been successful in demanding a CBCID inquiry against the Waqf grabbers and Waqf encroachers, sir. So the then Chief Minister KCR Saab ordered a CBCID inquiry. Initial inquiry has been done, sir. Through you, I request the government to kindly table the report of the inquiry, sir. और वो औखाफी जायदादों को तबाह बर्बाद करने वाले वो जिम्मेदार, वो लूटने वाले लुटेरों को आप हथकड़ी पहनाइए साहब, जेल में भी जाइए उनको.